guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kadeja and we are back with another natural hair tutorial for you guys. If you're new on this channel, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get right into the video. final look. It is super pretty. I like how full the hair actually is, and it was super easy to install. It came with those large loops, super easy, super beginner friendly. The final look, I gotta say, turned out super pretty. I love it. It was super easy to install, and I love the fact that it comes pre-looped, so it's super easy for anybody who is just trying to do like crochet hair. This is it. It is very full. I used all 3 of the hair they sent for us, and I love how it turned out. Like, this is it. If you want to get this hair, then go ahead and click that link in my description, make your purchase. Go ahead and leave some comments, let me know how you feel about this hair. And this is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.